In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge duplicates in Pipedrive. Keeping your CRM clean saves time, prevents confusion, and helps your team stay aligned. If you've ever found two versions of the same person, company, or lead, merging them ensures all notes, emails, and activities live in one place. Here's exactly how to do it. Start by logging into your Pipedrive account and heading to the Contacts area. Depending on your setup, you might be looking at People, Organizations, or your Leads view. The idea is the same across all of them. Use the search bar to find the duplicate you want to clean up. Look closely at details like email addresses, phone numbers, or company names to make sure you're opening the record that needs to be merged into another one. Click to open that record's page. In the record view, look to the top right corner for the three dots icon, sometimes labeled as More. That menu gives you additional actions for the contact you're viewing. Click it to open the options. Choose Merge from the menu. This opens a merge window and sets the record you're on as the one that will be combined into another record. Think of it like moving all of this record's data into the final record you choose to keep. In the merge window, start typing the name of the person, company, or lead that you want to merge into. This should be the version you consider the most complete, or the one your team already uses. Select it carefully from the results. A quick tip: match on unique details like email domains or job titles when names are similar, and double-check you're not combining two different people who happen to share a name. When you're confident you've picked the right target, click Merge to complete the process. Pipedrive will combine information like notes, activities, emails, and deals into the target record, helping you keep a single source of truth. Keep in mind that merges are generally permanent, so it's worth taking a few extra seconds to verify you've chosen the correct pair before confirming. That's all it takes. Log in and go to Contacts. Open the duplicate, use the three dots menu, choose Merge, select the correct target record, and confirm. If you discover more duplicates, repeat the same steps. Keeping up with merges regularly helps your reports, automations, and handoffs run smoothly. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, give it a quick like and subscribe for more.